Here we go. All right, subtracting real numbers. All right, so lesson 6, not hard. There's a concept here, and we covered this last year, the two of us did. But let's go ahead and talk about this concept here. Let's start with negative 12. Oh boy, I didn't even write the 12. Minus 21. And in essence here, what do I have going on here? In this problem, what do I have going on here? Right, I have two negative numbers happening. And you said it correctly. Algebra, what I have going on looks like this. Negative 12 plus negative 21. Said it correctly. What is the answer?
Negative 33.
Okay, negative 33. So when I add two numbers that have the same signs, we covered this previously already, I keep the signs, right? And I just add them. If they have opposite signs, I would do what? Subtract them. Yeah. Now, that was an easy one. We got to get our footing. Although this one's not much harder. All right, so what do I have happening here? Please tell me. What do I have happening here?
Negative 19 plus 8.
Okay, yes, because I have negative 19 and I have two negatives next to each other, which is going to, like you just said, excuse me, make a positive. So negative 19 plus 8. So in this case, it's a subtraction problem, in essence. So answer is going to be negative 11, because the absolute value of the biggest number is negative. So perfect. All right, questions so far? Pretty simple. Now let's think about let's determine a couple true or false statements. Won't write them down, but they'll be recorded anyway. Is the set of integers, so integers includes the whole numbers plus the decimals / fractions. Okay? Oh, it doesn't. Why did I just say that? It includes the negative numbers. Sorry, my brain went to rational numbers even though I was saying integers. That's the problem when you're doing things live. You make mistakes and everyone can hear you. All right. The set of integers is closed under subtraction. Is that true or false?
True.
Yes, because the difference of any two integers is still always going to be an integer. All right. The set of real numbers is closed under subtraction. Now we'll just do all real numbers all together. Any number that includes the rational numbers, includes irrational numbers, is that closed under subtraction? If I subtract two numbers, any two numbers, will I still have a real number? None of your concern.
Yes.
The answer is true. Okay, we said, will we always still have a real number? The answer is yes, we will. All right, very good. All right, so now let's make up a word problem off the top of our heads. An easy one. Short lessons there. All right. You're in a submarine. I don't know if you ever want to be in a submarine, but you're in a submarine. Okay? You are just starting out, and you are on top of the water. And the captain orders the submarine to descend to a depth of 23 meters. How can I write down 23 meters? Negative 23 meters. So, that's how far. Oh, I didn't draw a submarine, huh? Okay, here's our submarine. There's no windows, right? Okay, well, we're under the water, so they have a periscope. You can look around. All right, there's our submarine. That's great. We went down 23 meters. And then the captain said, we're not deep enough, go 12 more meters down. How would I write that? Another 12 meters. Okay, plus negative 12. Okay, so how deep did you go? meters. Negative 35 meters. Okay, that's how far under the water you are. No, you're not very deep. All right? Does that make sense? Pretty simple. Again, an easy word problem for the day. Questions, comments, concerns?
That's it?
Yeah, that's totally it today.
Oh.